Hello everyone, Vikas here from InstaWP. Today, I'll show you how quickly you can launch a WordPress site with Cost Calculator Builder already installed right from your InstaWP dashboard. In just a few clicks, you'll have a fully working site ready to test and customize. Let's dive in. Now, provide a name for your new WordPress site in the designated field. The InstaWP site creation wizard offers various plugin categories like popular, security, e-commerce, and forms, helping you start with exactly what your workflow needs instead of installing everything later. Let's select the Cost Calculator Builder plugin, a perfect fit for agencies that need instant project estimates. Next, choose the Pro plan to enable advanced resources, then confirm by clicking Create Site. InstaWP now spins up a complete environment in seconds. Behind the scenes, the system provisions your WordPress setup, installs the plugin, and applies your configuration automatically. No manual upload or local setup required. Your new WordPress site is ready, and the Cost Calculator Builder is already installed and active. Now, instead of manually researching which plugin to use, let's understand why Cost Calculator Builder is trusted by thousands of WordPress professionals. We're heading to stylemixthemes.com, the official home of Cost Calculator Builder, to explore what makes it stand out for service-based websites. Once on the site, we accept the cookie policy and continue. The plugin is designed to turn manual quoting into an automated, accurate process. It helps agencies provide instant price transparency, collect payments, and convert visitors into leads, all from one calculator. It's built for customization. Drag and drop fields, conditional logic, and sleek styling make every calculator match your brand without code. Plus, it's reliable with secure transactions, order tracking, and data protection baked in, so you can scale confidently. For support and learning resources, Stylemix offers detailed docs and templates to get started fast. Now, let's head back to our InstaWP dashboard. Here we review our new site details, login credentials, URL, and plan, and open the WordPress admin directly from within InstaWP. The system redirects us instantly to the WordPress admin panel. From the dashboard, we'll open the Cost Calculator Builder interface to begin configuring our first calculator. Welcome to the Cost Calculator Builder setup screen. Everything you need is right here. You can explore the feature tour or jump straight in by creating a new form. We'll start with New Form. The Builder interface loads all elements in a single workspace. No extra plugin dependencies or page reloads. We'll skip the welcome tour to dive straight into building our calculator. Let's add a text field. We'll name it Enter Cost, the first variable in our pricing logic, and save the element. Next, we'll add a quantity field so users can multiply their costs by unit counts. Label it Quantity, then Save. In just a few clicks, you're already building a functional quote system. Click Preview and Save to see real-time results. Now, head over to the Appearance tab. Change the look of your calculator instantly. Dark blue for corporate sites, sky for creative brands, giving each client a unique design without custom CSS. We'll test a few styles and keep the default theme for this demo. Save your settings. The design applies instantly to the calculator. Return to the list of calculators. To embed the calculator, click Embed on the sample calculator. Choose where to display it: landing page, service page, or blog, all with a single click. This modal displays multiple embed options from shortcodes to direct insertion. We'll pick sample page for this demo, a quick way to preview the calculator in context. Click Apply to embed it. The calculator is now live on that page, instantly deployed with no manual shortcode edits or theme tweaks. Let's open the live site to see how it performs on the front end. On the sample page, our calculator appears